I'm in Ikea. I came to get some stuff for the apartment. I would have vlogged, but there were so many people in there. It was too congested to vlog without accidentally filming someone. And you know, in Korea, they get sued for anything. Like, somebody pops up on my vlog, they sue me for filming them without their permission. So I erred on the side of caution and just did not vlog while I was in there because there were so many people. It would have been impossible for me to vlog without catching someone accidentally in my vlog. But I will share with you guys everything that I got once I get home. I also got a sofa today, so I'll show that to you guys as well. Got quite a few things. It was pretty cheap too. Did I put my receipt? I think on my purse. It's in my purse. So everything that I got was 122,500 Korean won, which I think is like $100 or something like that. I'll put it on the screen. But not too shabby. I'm waiting on my taxi to come pick me up. I think he's like 6 minutes away. And so I just made it back home. I washed my sheets before I left and put them in the dryer, so I need to put them back on my bed. Let me show you guys my apartment so far. So this is the couch that came in today. I really, really love it. It's perfect. It doesn't take up too much space. I really like. The only thing I don't like are the silver legs, but it's not like a super big deal. But it's very nice and it's easy to clean. I already had to clean the spot because the person that delivered it, I think his hands were dirty, and he left like some dirt spots here. But it came off really nicely, so I really do love it. So I'm going to get out some of the things. Well, you know what? All of the things. I'm gonna get all of it out. First thing I got was a rug. I need to prop you guys up somewhere because I can't hold this phone and do what I need to do. I mean camera. Prop it up here. I need to buy a new little holder because this one that I have is so trash. So I got this rug, and based on the measurements it should be like perfect. I wanted one that was long enough to go from like the front of the couch to out this way, and then like also meet at the bed. So based on the measurements that were on here, it should fit. So let me see. And it wasn't super expensive either. I'm actually pleasantly surprised at the prices at the Ikea here. Oh yes, this is going to be perfect, 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 perfect. I will tear the tags off once I get it situated and make sure that I like it. Okay. Yes, this is going to be nice. I'm going to move you guys over here. You should be able to see better there anyway. Figure out how far back I want this rug to go. Okay. There. I probably should have washed it first, but I don't feel like it. Looks a little bit uneven on this side. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. But I think I want it to come in some more. Let's see. Okay, that's really good. I like this. I like this a lot. Okay, go ahead and tear these tags up here so that I know I'm going to put it. Oh great, recycling. I have this really nice lamp. It's called Solefty? I don't know. I'm going to take it out of the box. It was really pretty. It's a white lamp. I was hoping I could find something to offset all the neutral. They had some really pretty like faux wooden style lamps, but they were all like little short ones for the floor, and I wanted a tall one, so I got this one instead. It's really, really pretty. Hopefully I will be able to successfully put this together. We will find out shortly. Let me bring you guys down here. Okay. Let's see. These little things, this right here, goes into, oh wait, I skipped one back. So, this goes into here, this little hole here. You guys can't see it that well, but it's a little off focus, the camera. But you just stick it in here, and then it flips on the other side. I'm sorry if I'm out of focus. Just like that. And there's a total of 3. So you just put each one on there. And I started from the bottom. So this is like the very bottom one. And this is the next one. And then we got the last one. Jesus Christ. There we go. All the way through. Ah, got it. It's a little wobbly. The base, it seems like. Just make sure it's as tight as possible. Okay, so far looking good. Okay, now we have the lampshade part. Like, look at this, it's so cute. Now let me see how to put this part on. So next thing I got was like this very simple little nightstand thingy. I think it's like one of those multitaskers, like you can use it for like a couple of different things, but I'm gonna use it as a nightstand on the side of my bed. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. I don't know what I did with my scissors, but this right here is why I don't have any more nails. Like, all my nails broke off when I moved because I was using them to like open stuff. And they just all broke off. This damn thing is shrink wrap. It's very easy to put together. It's just like the base, and then there's 4 legs that screw on. And it was like either 6,000 or 8,000 won. I was like, oh, that's perfect, because I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money on a nightstand, because I literally just wanted to like put my phone on at night when it's charging. sheets on my bed. I promise I don't sleep on my bed naked. I have sheets. Okay. I think that looks good. It's not too tall. It's not too big. It doesn't take too much space. It's just enough space for me to sit my phone when I charge it at night. And last item is a little lamp to sit on this. But I may or may not sit it up here. I'm going to put it together and we'll see. It shouldn't take me long to put it together. It's like super simple. Let me show you guys. I think it looks pretty good. I like it. It's bright, but not too bright. And now I don't have to have the big lights on. I like this ambiance better. I like this. This looks nice. I'm going to vacuum this roll because I got some stuff on it from the packaging. And child, I need to catch my breath. I know I'm not that out of shape to where these packages should have beat me up like that, but listen, that little nightstand, that thing took a lot of arm strength, and you have to like push down while you're twisting it in, and ooh child, I'm out of breath. Okay, I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do with these two. I think I'm going to put this lamp in the bathroom, and like I'm going to leave this one over here, and I think I'm going to reserve this space like I said I would before for my full body mirror. So I'm going to go ahead and move the smaller lamp to the bathroom, and I'm going to leave that one there for right now unless I change my mind about it. But I just feel like if I sit it on top of that, it's just going to be too much. I don't know, but yeah, that's what I'm going to do for right now. But I really like the way that it looks. Nice warm yellow light. It looks very homey. Everything's coming together nicely. Once my comforter set gets here from being held hostage and customs and my curtains, I think everything will like come together really, really nicely. And I have some nesting tables that I'm going to put here. It's going to look really nice. Okay, I like the way this looks. Looks very homey. I like this. Instead of having to turn on these bright lights, I like this a lot. So that's where I'm going to leave that for now. I'm trying to figure out what I want to put here. I have these little things I got from Ikea. They're a little too big to lay across the floor in my shower. I'm going to go back to Ikea Saturday to get the smaller ones that like click together. I have a total of 4 of these. I think they may cover up enough space here. I'm about to sit them down here and see so I can figure it out. Okay, so I decided to sit this here to see what it looks like. I feel like you guys can't really see how good it looks right there because of the fact that I don't have any lights on here. Let me see if this will help. But yeah, it looks really good here. I thought it was going to be like overbearing and crazy looking, but no, it really looks good here. It's leaning. I can't figure out how to fix that, but it's like kind of leaning. I'm going to have to figure that out or it's going to drive me crazy. But I do like the way that it looks here. Looks good. I'm going to turn off the lights. Really nice. I wish you guys could see how warm and just homey this warm yellow light makes it look. I feel like it doesn't like come through on the camera the way it does in real life, but looking good. So only 2 are going to fit there because they're so big and like awkwardly shaped. So if I wanted to put something there, I would probably have to get the smaller ones that I'm going to put in my shower. So yeah, that's not gonna work. So I think I'm just gonna leave these 2 here because at least it gives me somewhere to put my shoes instead of like directly on the floor. So I'll leave it there for now. If I change my mind about it later, I can always pick it up. I can always pick them up off the floor. But I'm really disappointed because these could have been great had they not been so damn clunky.